Hello guys! In this video we will see how to configure a parallax background in Godot. A parallax is an effect that occurs when multiple backgrounds are used, moving at different speeds, giving the impression that they are in different positions, closer or more distant. Let's increase the size of the ground to give a better appearance to our game. And this is basically how our last video finished. We made a ship that could walk and jump and had multiple animations. But in this video, to make more sense for the parallax background, we will change our game to Infinity Runner. So let's change our code. First, we will put a run animation to the top, because our character should be running all the time. Then we can comment our code, or if you want, you can delete it. To comment multiple lines, just select them and press Ctrl+K. And that's it. Now our ship just can run and jump. But let's increase this jump power a bit. Okay, and now let's clean our scene and delete these bodies that we don't will use anymore. And now, to start our parallax effect, we need to add this parallax background node. And inside the parallax background, we need to add multiple parallax layers, one to each background layer that we want to make. And then, inside our layers, we need to put a sprite with a background image. And then we put our image inside the sprite. Now unmark the centered option to make it fit on our screen. And now let's do the same to the other layers. Just to clarify, these images are really bad because I drawn them, and I am not an artist, okay? So just imagine that they are good. Nice! Now we have our ship with a static background. Let's apply the parallax effect. Okay, the first step that we need to do is set this mirroring value. So these two screens will keep moving on a loop, giving the effect of an infinity background. Here we need to put the size of our screen. As on our case, we just will use the x-axis parallax. We just need to set the x value. And now we can see that our background is mirrored at the right. Now we need to make some adjustments in our code. As we are controlling the background, it makes no sense put the code on the character. We could create a new script on the parallax background, and this will probably be the best solution in a big project. But As our project is really small, I will let the logic of the scene to our main node, at the script that's already created. And now, let's look to our parallax background. If we were using a camera 2D, the parallax effect would be created automatically. As we are not using it, we need to make the control by ourselves. But, as we will see, it is really simple to do it. We just need to set the scroll offset property with a vector 2D, informing how much we want to move. And there it is, our background is moving. But that is not a parallax effect. We need to move them in different speeds to make it. We just need to change the scale value to increase or decrease the speed of a layer. Let's just put the clouds behind our mountains. We can rename them to make it easier to identify them. And now we move them up. And just to finish, maybe you have seen that there was a line on our mountain. That was just a missed line on the sprite. I fixed it and this is the final result. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribe. Thanks for watching.